Hey guys, at the moment there's a lot of transitioning and new beginnings and a lot of heavy energy sort of coming up in a way. There will be in a way it's an emotional energy, like you're tempted to react to certain individuals or certain things. My advice would be to just let it go or just walk away from it. Don't let it get to you. Try to stay focused on what you're currently focusing on and continue from there. And you'll also probably be tempted by old things, sort of like, I would say, you know how the retrograde energy is. Probably for some individuals, you'll be tempted by old things, old patterns, old temptations. Just, fight those temptations and keep going. This video won't be so long. I just want to do an update on current energy. So just make sure you get enough rest. Stay hydrated. Don't let yourself become, or fall into old things and old patterns and fall to temptation or, react to certain individuals. I will try to do a video update about certain energies or certain things pertaining to twin flames and soulmates. So I would let you guys know. Just take care of yourselves and keep focusing on what you're trying to get done before the new year. The new year will bring abundance and sort of help you avoid or it'll help you with karma-related matters. Probably, just karma will be involved in next year. So just stay positive. Work on your projects, work on your goals, and keep yourself motivated. Talk to you guys another time. Take care.